Look how fast and rapid it's going down. 100% these guys are gone. 100% these cats here are gone in a split second. Our mental stop loss is going to be around this area here, and our TP is going to be taken in a minute, to be quite honest. We only want a 1-to-1 10. We only want it up to about this area here, just before the 70 mark. So it's around here we're looking for. That's all we're looking for right today. I'll put a physical stop loss below here, but our actual stop loss is here. So we just needed to go up just a little bit more, and then we will be out of this game. It's only a 1-to-1 what we're looking for at the moment. Go to the minute chart and have a look. The minute chart looks good. We've got a whole load of buy candles in a row. We're just looking for 10 points on this trade, and we expect to be out of this trade quite sharply if it goes how we want it to go, because it can rebel before it gets to the 70 point mark, which is the price, the 70 mark. It can, because that's a round figure, but I'm ready to come out as soon as I see that pop up. As soon as I see it pop up a bit more, I'm coming out of this trade. I just need it near that red line. We don't want it to retract on us. We don't want it to retrace. Just want it to just do what it's doing. That's good. Just a little bit more and we're jumping out. Just a tiny bit more. You know what? That's enough for me. That's enough for me. If we see it like that, jump out. It's no problem. That is just how we want it. Just a little bit more and we would have been completely fine, but that's great. I was in that trade for about not even 3 minutes. That's all I want to see. I do not care about anything else. The thing is like I said, because we're at a round figure, the 17 point mark is quite clear, very close to 70. So it can reverse on you if it wants to. I do not want to take that risk for 1 or 2 points. We're more or less where we want it to be, and that's that. Jump out. There's no stress. That was a very, very quick and easy trade. Go back to the 5-minute chart. That's all we needed. That's it. There's nothing more. We got a signal here. This is our signal, right? This is our take profit area. This here. We looked for a 1-to-1, which is 11 points, and we got around 11 points. We got around 11 points. There's nothing to it. Sometimes trades are quick and simple like that. That was a very quick and very simple trade. It's not all the time it happens like that, but if it does, then respect that, enjoy it, and take it on. And like I said, it's been going up all day. If you look here, from here, the price has gone up and it's been going up quite a while. It has given us a signal in this area here. That there is a buy signal. However, it was below the 200-day moving average. So I discounted that buy signal and waited for it to pass this this line here. If it passes this line, then I see that as a better signal. So we got a signal here. As you saw, took the trade straight away and just waited for a 1-to-1 ratio. That's it. No more, no less. 1-to-1 ratio, and we jump out. That is how I like to trade. That was a beautiful trade. You're in it for less than 5 minutes. It goes exactly how you want it to go, and then you leave. That's how I envisage trading. That's how I envisage trading when I first got into this trading. But obviously it doesn't always go that way. But when it does, enjoy it. Enjoy it. Don't hang around. Don't start in an orange. Don't try and get greedy. Just take the trade. Just take the trade and enjoy that fact that you can sometimes get quick trades just like that. Enjoy it. Because see what it's doing now is messing around at the 70. At this price point, it's very, very dubious. If we look to the left on the hourly chart, there's a bit of resistance. No, actually, there's a bit of support here on the left. There's a bit of support on the left here. And that's about it. So it may blast through and it may not, but we don't care. We understood the fact that there is a area of resistance and support in this area, and we jumped out. We took our trade, took the 1-to-1 and left. That was our plan, and that's what we executed. As you can see, we could have stayed in a bit longer and got a bit more out of it, but that's the game. Sometimes you win, sometimes you win bigger. Look at this, it's going crazy now. We could have stayed in, but we made our decision. We wanted a 1-to-1, we got a 1-to-1. That's it, no problem. Now look at it. See, if we waited a bit longer, got a bit greedier, it would have taken our stop and we'll be out on a negative trade. Do you see how this game is dubious? Do you see how you've got to be very sharp on this game? Because when you get greedy, it senses it. It's like a shark. Some people even load up. They even put more on the trade because it looks like a confident trade. But remember, we said it's at the 70 price mark. At the 70, there was a lot of resistance and there was a lot of support. It's a round number. It could go either way. We knew that. We just wanted to take what we need and that's it. Leave. We would have been out of this game. Look, our stop's gone. Our stop would have been gone. Look at that. And look how much it's rushing down. It's probably fighting to go here. Right? There. Or it's going to go crazy and it's going to go down to get for these boys. This area is riddled with money. There's so much money down there, it's unbelievable. So I wouldn't put it past it if it's going to rush down and take those people's stops, because there's so much money there. It's just incredible. So let's see. They might go for these guys here. They might stop here with these stops here. There's stops there. But it's going for one of the two or both. We do not know. But we're out of the game. We've got our money and we leave. We leave. And when we watch everyone else pray, we're going to just watch everyone else pray because we're out. We've pocketed our profits for the day. No pressure. Nothing. We're on an up day. Plus to the account. Look how fast and rapid it's going down. 100%. These guys are gone. 100%. These cats here are gone in a split second. Because you know people have put their stops underneath this area here, this spike. Everyone's been taught to put their stops underneath this area where there's a bit of ranging, where there's a bunching up of candles. That's where people put stops. So these guys are gone. We have come out triumphant because there's nothing like greed in our game. You might ask, if you know it's going to this area, why don't you put in a sell? No, we're not going to put in a sell if we do not get a sell signal. Even though it looks like it's going to sell and it's looking like it's actually selling and we really have good confidence that it's going to go in a certain area, a certain price point, we will only do a sell if we get a signal to go for a sell, because at the moment it can reverse back up before it comes back down for these people. If it is going to go down here, it can go up here like that first, take out these people again, right? It could take out all of these people's stops, all of these people here, all the people that put their stops in these areas. They all can get taken before it comes down again and goes into this area here. It can do whatever it wants. When we get a sell or buy signal, that's when we take control and enter the market. Nothing before that. Because look what it's done now. Look, just as we were talking, has it taken these people out? No, it hasn't taken them out yet. Maybe it's seen people have got stops in this area. People have put in stops. They've seen a large candle. Maybe they've seen this large candle here, right? And people have put in their stops either here because of this large candle, or they've come in after this large candle and put their stops here. And they want to follow the market down. If that's the case, market makers might want to drive the price up just a little bit and take these people out. Or it might want to drive the price right up and take these people out before it comes back down. That can happen. It can happen. It can take, before it takes these people out, it can take those other people out as well. So you've got to be careful. And when you don't have a complete plan, then it's just a guess. We do it when we get signals. That's the only time we trade. Also, if I've had a positive day, I'm not going to go in the market again. There you go. They've all been got. They've taken out the most stop losses. They've taken out everyone. Everyone has gone. This huge amount of stop losses and stop orders in this area have now been got just like that. Do you see how this game is difficult? Do you see it? I weren't expecting them to come all the way down here. Not just like that. Maybe later on, but not in the matter of an hour. In a matter of an hour, it's jumped from all the way up here, all the way down here. Just like that. Massive candles, massive sell-off. Huge sell-off. Look what it's done. It's crazy. It's incredible. Now that has moved 120 points. Just like that. And everyone was all confident that it was going up, that it reached this bottom. Everyone here believed it reached the bottom. All these stop orders down here, they all believe it reached this bottom and it's going up. It's on an uptrend now. Giving us all that talk, pretending it's going up. It went up all morning. Everyone's delighted. And then massive, when I say a massive candle, huge candle. This candle here, look, huge candle. Takes the first lot out, then it comes down again. We had an opportunity to come in on a sell here, but we've already profited today, so we're not going to do that. And look, it's just kept going down. That's amazing. I expected it, but I didn't expect it that quick. So if you're on the sell side of the market, congratulations. And if you caught the buy market like we did, congratulations too, if you got out with a profit. So I just thought I'd let you see that, let you see it play out, and just learn some things from it. Just learn how the market is. It's very, very dubious. Very dubious place to be. So just try and learn, see what happens, learn and go forward and grow. Okay guys, rate, comment and subscribe. Until next time.